Hey y'all, it's me, Miss A, and we're back for Ask Miss A. This is when students send in their math homework problems for me to do step by step and show you how to solve them. So here we have a two-step equation. I've been getting lots and lots of algebra questions and problems sent in to me, so I definitely want to go ahead and show y'all how do we attack problems like this one. So as we can see here on the screen, 6y minus 29 equals negative 35. So as always, I'm going to rewrite this problem on my little scratch paper. And remember, we are just trying to solve for the value of this variable of y. You always want to think about equations having a left side and a right side. The left side of the equal sign, so that being this side here, the 6y minus 29. And then we have the right side of the equation of the equal sign, negative 35. See this negative 29 and this negative 39, both of them are what we call like terms. They do not have variables, and we want to get them to the same side of the equation. So I'm going to undo this minus 29 or this negative 29. The opposite would be positive or plus 29. So I'm going to do that, and that I have to make it balanced. So I'm going to add 29 to both sides of the equation. I'm going to draw a line right there just to show that was our first step. So what happens here, the negative 29 and the positive 29, they cancel because they're exact opposites of each other. Then I'm just going to bring down my 6y. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. So now I have negative 39, and negative 35 and positive 29. Since those are not the same sign, right? One's a negative and one's a positive. I can't just add them. I'm actually going to do the opposite. This is dealing with integers. So if your integer rules are kind of shaky, give me a call and we can do a little course to help your student be more confident. But negative 35 and positive 29, that's going to give me a negative 6. So now I have 6y equals negative 6. What this means is 6 times what number equals negative 6? Well, since our variable of y is being multiplied by 6, we're going to do the opposite of multiplying by 6, which is what? To divide by 6. And because these are equations, we got to make things balanced. So whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other. So I'm going to divide by 6 on this left side, and I'm going to divide by 6 on the right side. 6 divided by 6 is just 1, right? And 1 times y gives me y. And so now I'm going to do the math here on the right side of the equation. Negative 6 divided by 6, that's going to give me negative 1. So the answer to this equation is y equals negative 1. If you have more questions from your math class that you would like answered, I do questions elementary math, middle school math, and even high school up to algebra 2. So that would be algebra 1, geometry, or algebra 2. You can email me a picture or a screenshot of your work and I'll do it online. My email address is missa@staracademiccoaching.com. I look forward to getting your questions so I can make some quick videos for you and show you how to do the work. You guys be blessed. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.